5 affiliate products that will always sell no matter the year. I call it beginner-friendly affiliate platform that actually pays, or the top 5 trusted platform for new affiliate beginners. Simple, safe, and proven. I'm Kushade here. If there's one secret every successful affiliate marketer knows, it is this. So stop chasing trendy products and start promoting products that will always be in demand. Trends fade, hypes dies, but human needs never change. And today, I'm going to show you 5 evergreen affiliate product categories that will still be selling 10 years from now and can pay you consistently even while you are asleep. Stay with me because number 5 is the one that actually helped me the most, and most beginners ignore it completely. Section number 1. What are evergreen products? Before we go deeper, evergreen products are products that people constantly need regardless of season, year, technology, or economic changes. They solve problems that never disappear. What are the problems that never disappear? Problems on health, on money, on education, on convenience, on growth, or productivity are problems that never disappear. So, if your affiliate business focuses on these, you will never struggle for views, clicks, or sales. So, let's see the evergreen products number 1. These are skill-based online courses. People will always learn new skills. That demand never stops. So courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Seller, Skillshare, Tompic will continue to sell forever because people want better jobs, better lives, and better opportunity. The products that will always sell there include digital marketing, graphic designs, coding, video editing, sales and communications, productivity. What makes this evergreen? As long as people want to improve, this product remains relevant forever. Then, evergreen product number 2, AI tools and softwares. AI is no longer a trend. It's the next electricity because business needs it, students use it, creators need it. They all use it, and AI tools usually give affiliate marketers 1. Recurring monthly commissions, 2. High payout, 3. High retention. People keep subscribing. Examples: chatbots, AI writing tools, AI video editor, website builders, email automation tools. AI is an evergreen category because the world is only becoming more digital and never less. So, evergreen product number 3, finance and money tools. People will always want to make money, save money, invest money, manage money, and grow money. So, financial affiliate program stays evergreen forever. Examples: investment platforms, trading education platform, accounting apps, budgeting apps, market analysis tools. Money never goes out of style. Recession or no recession, people still want to grow financially. Now, evergreen product number 4, productivity and business tools. Every business wants to operate faster and smarter, and every creator wants to simplify work. That is, meaning these tools never stop selling. Project management apps, team collaboration tools, social media schedules, customer support systems. These tools solve problems that will always exist: stress, time management, business growth, and organization. Then Evergreen Product number 5, essential digital services. These are the silent money makers that almost nobody talks about, but they provide daily commissions when people buy. Examples: domain names, web hosting, email marketing software, funnels, landing page builder, VPNs, cloud backup. Why are these evergreen? They are evergreen because every online business, no matter the industry, need these tools to survive. If the interest exists, these products will sell. So those are the 5 evergreen affiliate products categories that can keep paying you month after month, year after year, no matter what the economy looks like, no matter what trend disappears, and no matter how many more new tools comes out. So if you want a stable affiliate business that grows even while you are sleeping, then focus on problems that never disappear, promote products that people always need, build around evergreen products, not hype. Rooting for your success stories.